we can go. Yeah. And I see you've got the point markers, so you can actually tell when the boat, where the boat is, right?
Yes, right now.
Now we're at the start.
At speed 6, we're going through gate 1. Hit another wave, gate 2. Here's another speedboat wave bump, gate 3. Another wave bump, gate 4. Another wave bump immediately after that. Another one. Checkpoint 5.
I see that we hit them up and we move up. I don't feel anything, but that's all right. And we've got various checkpoints. Okay, we're 9 checkpoints, so we can. And this is back to the start. It's now the finish. Yeah. And
there's Shalane up ahead of us here.
Oh, she's on a boat too, huh?
Yep. See if we can catch up to her. Yep.
Oh, there we are. And are there something special things about this particular boat, or about your boats in general? I see that you brought the speed down.
This is the one I usually drive the most at.
And your speed bumps actually, that essentially lets the boat jump up in the air a little bit, right?
Right. As a matter of fact, right now I'm going to raise the height of these boats a little bit, and that'll take me about a minute to do that.
I was just taking a leisurely run around.
Yeah.
So nice job on the boat scripting.
Okay, I just raised the overall height of all of these bump prims or wave bumps 5 clicks. So if we run through this again, we should get a little bit more dramatic effect.
Okay, let's go. Oh, we're getting the speed. And this is a very fast boat. We're heading for a bump. Yep. And I see that we're coming around to number 8, 9 ahead. And that takes us back. Yeah. Okay, very good. That's very good. I got the video, and that's just the kind of thing I need to tell people about boating in OpenSim.